This is the first job opening that we have, which is for L2 L3 support. Okay, and it's in Bangalore. Okay, and this is someone is looking for immediate joining. L2 L3 requires little bit of experience. So it might be if you have minimum 2 years of experience, then only join. This is the mail ID on which you need to drop your resume. So if you have any question of something, you can ask on this mail ID, right? Now next is as a senior network engineer, McLaren. It's a network engineer, senior network engineer. Okay, and someone is looking for senior network engineer with hands-on experience on Palo Alto. So Palo Alto is a company which is providing some sort of firewalls, global protection. So they want Prism SaaS as well as Azure networking knowledge, PC and SC and Azure networking certificate will be highly preferred. So if you have all those certificates, then you might get a job very easily. Okay, and this can be a like they have multiple branches in India, so you can get invited anywhere. It doesn't, they're not going to specify where you need to join or something, and real work whatever they have. So this is exactly what they're looking for. This is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume, and accordingly they will revert you. Next is cybersecurity VAPT consultant. So RSM SEO consulting is looking for someone with a good VAPT knowledge. Okay, those who can join and in Mumbai. Okay, it's a Mumbai based job, and PT VAPT is what you need to do. So this is something for the experienced folks. Okay, and 3 plus years of experience is required. CH is mandatory. OSCP, if you have OSCP, then it will be a plus. Okay, they want 45 days of timeline. Mumbai is the location where you need to work, and they want CVs with SOC and software. Okay, so it's not like if you have SOC knowledge, so you need to join. Don't apply if you have SOC profile. Only if you have knowledge about VAPT, only do the thing. This is the mail ID Aniket dot Jadhav at rsmindia dot what in, right? So now next opening is as a malware analyst. So this is for the fresher. Fresher doesn't means you don't have knowledge. मतलब knowledge नहीं है हाथ पर उठा के चलो, ऐसा नहीं होता freshers में. It means you have some sort of knowledge. You can handle couple of things, and you might learn all those things in upcoming days in the industry, right? So this want minimum 1 years of experience, right? BTech, BSc, all those knowledge is important. Sanjuke added Yamatech, Vayamatech.com is the mail ID, and Delhi it's a Delhi based job. But Delhi is something which is, there are a lot of tricky things that can happen with you. So be secure in Delhi. Okay, it's for experienced people. So next is VM Forge. Okay, they want cybersecurity intern, right? This is mail ID. Drop your resume, you might get selected. Next is again L1, L2. L1 doesn't need much experience, right? L2 need minimum 2 years of experience, and it's a Noida based job. Skills is SIM, SOAR, QRadar, and ArcSight is important. Samantha.t@i-q.co is the mail ID on which you can. Dubai based job, it's a cybersecurity job. These are the positions, that's what they're looking for. Cybersecurity analyst, senior cybersecurity analyst, cybersecurity manager, customer access manager, cybersecurity engineer, network security officer, and this email is CPO atghi.com on which you can apply, right? So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you very much for joining.